everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Walmart account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in walmart.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Walmart. So Walmart is a multinational retail corporation that operates as a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, etc. So if you want to sign up for your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, sign in, that you can see right over here in this interface. Now you'll be able to find the option for sign in or create account over here. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your phone number or email. If you already have the account, you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account, you'll be prompted to create the account for yourself. So simply click on the filter phone number or email. Now provide your phone number or email over here. Now after you enter the credential, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create the account for yourself. What you have to do is enter the first name, last name, phone number, and you'll also have to create a password. So click on the filter first name, enter the first name over here. Likewise, click on the filter last name and enter the last name. Now click on the filter phone number. Now provide the phone number over here. Now after you do that, create a password for yourself. Your password must include 8 to 100 characters, upper and lowercase letters, at least one number or special character. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you do that, scroll down. Now click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your number. What you have to do is enter that code over here. So simply enter the code. Now after you do that, click on this option, verify and create account, that you can see on the screen. After that, your account will be verified. Once your account has been verified, your account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the Walmart account. So that is how you sign up Walmart account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.